Hey guys, today we're gonna, how can I tell you, describe a poster that, from my opinion, okay? As we see, there is a poster that it is like a Atari Game Pong. 19s, remember that, okay? In that picture, actually, it symbolizes the anti-smoking statement because in the Atari game that you see in the right one, you are trying to destroy the pattern by throwing the ball to the inside of the pattern by that little paddle right here, by that paddle, okay? And in the left figure, as we see that pattern became a lung that all of the human beings have that lung, okay? And the paddle is, as we see in there, it's a cigarette. And this by that paddle, the cigarette mean in the left figure, it's throwing the white thing to the lung, okay? And in the Atari game, if you throw this ball to the pattern, it's breaking into apart, and it's same with it. Every cigarette throwing a ball into our lungs, that is really harmful for us. It's symbolized in the picture that cigarette paddles, it throws the bad stuff like nicotine, carbon monoxide, and those bad gases to your lung, and it's being imprisoned there. It's staying there and it's destroying your lungs. Okay, this means to us every cigarette affects our daily life because every time you throw the ball, it is giving much distraction. It means that every cigarette that you throw, it is giving much distraction to your lungs. In the Atari game is same figure, actually same figure that we see in the 90s. Okay, the viewers of the poster could understand that if we continue game like throwing the ball again, and again, that's gonna destroy our lungs completely, like completely, all of it. Okay? And in the Atari game, we call this game over. Okay? But it's not an Atari game. Our life is not an Atari game. Our life is real. That is not gonna say, oh my god, game over, you lose it. That's gonna say, what? Just think. You are that. You are going to Jannat or Jahannam. That's gonna say this. Not, you game over, you lose it. Nothing like that. Okay? And I think that this poster effective because maybe someone who smokes daily going to see that picture and think that, oh my god, what I'm doing for the past years, that's destroying my lungs every day. It's like the Atari game. I shouldn't do this. Maybe someone is gonna say this, and he's gonna quit the smoking. That could be perfect of it. And this poster, I think in my mind that constructed for to save the people who is addicted to smoking. As all of you know that if you're addicted to smoking, it's hard to leave it, but you need to try it. Okay, you need to try it as an individual. You can do it. Don't forget that there is nothing impossible. Hard is easy, impossible is hard. Don't forget that. All right. Okay, as I say, I describe it. This picture relevant to the smokers who smokes weed. It could be weed too. Weed could be cigarette. It could be nargila, as we say in English, hookah. It could be cigarette, normal cigarette. It could be everything. All of those stuff harmful for your body. And each time when you smoke them, they are hurting and destroying your lungs. Like the Atari game we played when we were 6 years old, 7 years old, okay? Don't do this. Don't be addicted. You can save yourself. Just try to save it. I believe on you. You believe on me. We believe in ourselves. Let's do this. Alright? Let's do this.